How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Anbernic RG35XX stuck on loading screen. So if your device is stuck on loading screen, this can only be fixed by a few solutions. The easiest way is to simply tap on the reset button, which is going to be this button right here with the R symbol on it, right below the power button. This will then reset your device and see if that fixes the problem. Well, if not, the other thing that we can do is to simply update the device itself. So you just want to head over to the Anbernic RG35XX firmware update on Google, and then you want to click on the official Anbernic webpage. And in here, we want to find the specific device that we are currently using. So in our case, it's going to be the RG35XX, which is going to be this one. Let's click on download now. And of course, in here, you will get your instructions and also all of the firmware that you need to install onto your device. So I'm going to select the latest one, which is going to be this one right here. Let's just access the Google Drive itself. And here is the update that we simply need. So let's just click on the update button, and then you want to install this onto your device. And simply from there, this will then fix corrupted files or missing files or unsupported files onto the old version of your firmware. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.